Meaning of D-lock.
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 D-lock. A D-lock, also known as a U-lock, is a type of lock used to secure bicycles. It consists of a rigid metal shackle shaped like the letter D that can be closed with a key or combination lock. The D shape provides good resistance to cutting and prying, making it difficult for thieves to break open. D-locks are popular among cyclists because they are relatively lightweight and easy to carry, yet provide a high level of security. Overall, a D-lock is an effective and reliable way to deter bike theft and protect your investment.